In today's video, we're going to talk about welding fumes and filters, both for welding fume extractors and PPEs. As welding fume extractors should be your first line of defense, I'm going to start with those. And after, I'm going to give you guidelines for PPEs as well. In your welding fume extractor or in the dust collector, if you're using a central system, you're generally going to find two types of media for filters. It's either going to be a simple cellulose polyester blend or the same blend with a nanofiber coating on top of it. The difference between the two is going to be the efficiency. To know the filtration efficiency, we use what is called the MERV rating or MERV ratings. MERV means minimum efficiency reporting value. For cellulose polyester filters, usually it's going to be an MERV of 11. And for nanofiber, it's going to be a MERV rating of 15. What's interesting to know is as your filter gets dirty, its efficiency is actually going to increase. And although you don't want it to be too dirty because then the pressure drops are going to be too important, you're going to lose the efficiency in terms of extraction. It's good to have a little coating of dust on your filter. In welding fumes, particles are going to be very small. We're talking between 0.005 and 20 microns, but most of them are going to be smaller than a micron. What it means is you want at least a MERV rating of 13. Because at 13, you're going to have a certain efficiency when it comes to submicronic particles. Ideally, you even want to go to a 15 rating to be even more efficient. And if you have to deal with dangerous particles such as hexavalent, chromium, or manganese, you might even want to consider an HEPA filter. Those HEPA filters are even more efficient. They are like a rating of 17 and higher. The downside is their cost. They're very expensive. So what you will do is use them at the second stage of filtration. Now, in terms of PPEs, so if you're using disposable or half mass such as this one, you're going to want to use a filter that we call ideally a P100, or if you don't have them, at least the N95. Once again, if you have dangerous particles in your fumes, the P100 is going to be ideal. Otherwise, N95 is still going to be a decent job. What's very important with those is you want to make sure that they fit properly. So you're going to have to do fit testings. Otherwise, they're completely useless. If the fumes can go through the side of your mask, then no matter the filter you use, it's not going to be efficient. In terms of PAPR, those usually come with HEPA filters, which, like I said earlier, is going to be the best kind of filter you can have. So as long as you have an HEPA filter, which is pretty much standard with most of those type of masks, then you're going to be fine. If you want more information about filters, whether it's for dust collectors and portable units or for PPEs, I'm going to put links in the description below, or you're going to have a more detailed explanation about all of that. Also, if you're dealing with welding fumes in your shop and you want to know more about extraction, I'm going to invite you to join one of the webinars I give every week. It's free. We have many dates and hours available, and I hope to see you there. And I'll see you in the next one.